Capture life hands-free in stunning 4K. Ordro EP8 camcorder with gimbal, night vision and remote control. Ready to level up your vlogging game? The Ordro EP8 Head-Mounted 4K camera is your all-in-one, hands-free recording solution. Whether you're shooting action-packed adventures or casual daily moments, its Sony STARVIS CMOS sensor ensures unbelievable clarity even in low light. At 60 frames per second Ultra HD 4K resolution, your videos will look smooth, professional, and lifelike. Plus, the adjustable 130 degrees wide-angle lens captures everything in sight without distortion. From POV vlogs to cinematic scenery, the EP8 turns ordinary into extraordinary, no tripod required. Say goodbye to shaky videos. The EP8's built-in 2-axis Gimbal Stabilizer delivers rock-solid footage no matter how much you're moving. Unlike traditional head-mounted cameras that struggle with motion blur, this beauty handles everything from intense action sports to leisurely strolls with insane smoothness and clarity. Whether you're running, biking, or dancing, your footage will feel like it's straight out of a Hollywood film. It's like having a personal steadicam strapped to your forehead. How cool is that? Why waste time transferring footage to a computer when the Ordro EP8 makes sharing a breeze? With its upgraded OD-Cam Wi-Fi app, you can preview, edit, and share videos directly from your smartphone, no extra gear needed. Shoot jaw-dropping 4K content, add your creative spin, and post it to your social media within minutes. Whether you're creating viral TikToks, YouTube masterpieces, or Instagram stories, the EP8 keeps your workflow fast, seamless, and fun. Your audience won't know what hit them. Lightweight and compact, the EP8 is designed to go wherever life takes you. With IPX5 water resistance, it laughs in the face of rain and dust, so you can record in any weather. The Type-C fast charging feature gets you back to filming in just 30 minutes, while the 1000 mAh battery provides hours of uninterrupted recording. From epic road trips to spontaneous adventures, this head-mounted marvel ensures you'll never miss a moment worth capturing. Durable, portable, and always ready for action, the EP8 is made to keep up with your life. The Ordro EP8 outshines the competition with features that are as practical as they are powerful. From its smooth 4K video capture to the gimbal stabilizer and distortion-free lens, this camera packs pro-level tech into a compact, wearable design. Its hands-free operation means you're always in the moment, no fumbling with bulky gear. And with affordable pricing and premium performance, it's perfect for vloggers, travelers, and creators who demand quality without breaking the bank. Don't just record life, immerse yourself in it with the EP8.